Tax implications of rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA. Many retirees worry about inflation and market swings. A 401k to Gold IRA rollover lets you move from paper assets into physical gold, offering stability. But if you don't follow IRS rules, you may face unexpected taxes and penalties. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's what to know. 1. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows investment in approved metals like gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. Metals must meet IRS purity standards, usually 0.995 or higher, and must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. 2. Direct versus indirect rollover. Direct rollover, best option. Funds transfer directly from your 401k to a Gold IRA custodian. No taxes or penalties. Indirect rollover, you receive funds first and must redeposit within 60 days. The IRS withholds 20% for taxes, and missing the deadline triggers income tax plus a possible 10% early withdrawal penalty. 3. Key IRS rules, only one rollover per 12 months. 60-day deadline for indirect rollovers. Use only IRS-approved custodians and depositories. Collectibles or non-eligible metals are not allowed. 4. How to avoid taxes and penalties. Always choose a direct rollover. Work with an IRS-approved custodian. Buy only eligible bullion coins and bars. Use segregated storage to keep metals traceable. 5. Special cases, inherited 401k. Only spouses can roll over into a Gold IRA. Roth 401k. Roll into a Roth Gold IRA to maintain tax-free growth. Understanding the tax implications of a 401k to Gold IRA rollover is essential. By using a direct rollover, picking a trusted custodian, and sticking to IRS-approved metals, you can safeguard your retirement savings and avoid costly mistakes. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.